Hello again, it's another episode of my vlog again. And today is Thanksgiving Day, and we have this setup tonight upstairs. It's a good setup, and I think we have already a good reservation for tonight. So I'm gonna show you, and we start setting up actually because they can start at 6, and now it's like almost like 3, almost 4 o'clock. Yeah. And again, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, The Naked Mixology, and my Facebook page and my IG. And I'm gonna show you right now, like a little bit glimpse. It's almost done anyway, our setup. So here we go, this is the setup. The food's still in the kitchen. It's like it's almost done. But the food's still in the kitchen because it's still early anyway. So that's outside, there's the ambience here. There's the beach down there. And this is set up in the restaurant. It's like all white. All white for tonight. Here we go. So I can be here working tonight. That's the bar downstairs. That's where I'm working. But tonight I'm gonna be here upstairs. Yeah. It is for VIP table down here. And it's all the wines that we got. I know I showed this the last video anyway. So we have lots of selection of wines down here. Chardonnay, Pinot Grigio, Champagne, Vogue, Moët Chandon, any champagne you're looking for, we have those. So we have white wine, we have Chardonnay, we have Sauvignon Blanc, the Sancerre. We have lots of wines down here. The Flying Solo actually, that's the rosé that we have. And this is our chiller, so this is all everything here. Red and white. No, this is only white anyway. And then the champagne, and then the sparkling wine. And the same as here. And this is the red wine. And there's Auntie Sharon's having break right now. So, having break right now. And this is our setup, just ready. It is over here. The light is on. So, it's not done yet. So yeah, coffee machine, everything's here. Yeah. So ice is complete. Sink. There's the red one and the white wine, and the red wine is down here, and the computer, and our machine, espresso machine, cappuccino, I don't know what, coffee latte, whenever coffee you need, over here. All right, that's it for now. So we'll continue. All right, start already our night. See, look at these lights right now. It's almost ready. Everything is ready. Here, everybody's taking pictures. It's so nice. Yeah, we're going outside right now. Yeah, look at this. It's dark now. It's already 6 o'clock. Look at the lighting. Look at this setup. Hey, Mihai.
TV station, not to...
Yeah. Look at this. So nice. Yulia is there. Hey guys. Ready?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
We're ready to rumba.
This is the grilled salmon. Grilled salmon. And then the snapper. This is cabbage. And then mac and cheese. Looking good. Roasted Brussels sprout. And then this scallop. And then green beans, casserole. And then the stuffing right here, like embutido. And then there's the turkey. There's the main dish tonight. There we go. And then there's the dessert. It's a really nice setup. So displaying tennis outside. It's all our dessert tonight. If you want to, you know, yeah. Hey, you say something about us.
Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
Oh, thank you so much. Yeah.
This is Tony, the best bartender in town.
Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Yeah. Hey. And hey, Gopi, there's and then your inside. See, look at how many people are down there. Start coming in. Yeah, more and more people. All for you, Yulia. Another light too? So it's pina colada. That machine behind you. So there's pina colada down here. Look at this pina colada. That's it. See? That's machine. All good. Our Thanksgiving actually sold out upstairs, and there's a lot of guests like still coming out. They want a table, but we can't get a table right now. It's fully booked already. The Thanksgiving is like almost done. See, all the guests like we have a few guests stay right now, and everybody's gone. See, all staffs down here. Like garnish still. They put back most of the stocks right now in the fridge. All the wines. And so everything is finished now. This is how quick the setup is done. Everybody's gone. It's already 9:30 in the evening, so everybody's gone. Just quick dinner for everyone. So now we are like ready for close out, closing. Just like cleaning up right now. So again, please again don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, the Mixology, and hopefully see you next week. So I'm gonna show you outside also, because now it's like at the bar downstairs by the beach bar, they have a karaoke night.
Oh.
Hi. Hi, chef. Good?
Yeah, I'm good.
I'm good.
Hi.
Alright? Good?
Looking at that.
Yeah, no, that's all.
Yeah?
Yeah. So, you need some...
You don't close?
I'm closing now, just cleaning. Just cleaning right now.
Give me one soda.
One soda?
Cool.
Yeah. Have a good night, man.
Yeah, good night.
So that's all about that chef. Him is like just and then checking out if everything is good. And he's done inside. So now let's go out. Let's go. Oh. It is outside right now. So yeah, there's like more, looks like more that's like singing right now. It's karaoke night. So, yeah, that's all outside. So, yeah. Let's go to the kitchen before we shut down. Yes, mom. It is like kitchen right now. Chef, you got a good job, you know?
It's time to clean, guys.
Okay, time to clean, see, change this beautiful. Hey, bye. What's up? Thank you, bye.
Yeah, man. Next time.
Next time.
Saturday again.
So they start cleaning, or they start closing right now.
Nice Saturday again. How are you, my friend?
Good, good, good. So thank you, everyone, and have a nice night. And that's all for now. And I thank you so much. And I see you next time. I see you next time.